Hey guys, in this part we learn constructors in C#. A constructor is a special method that is used to initialize objects. The advantage of a constructor is that it is called when an object of a class is created. It can be used to set initial values for fields. For example, create a class and class keyword car and public string model as a field, and create a class constructor for the car class and use public keyword and class name and a code block model equal to Mustang, and create an object car Ford equal to new car, and console.writeLine Ford dot model, Control F5 and Mustang. Note that the constructor name must match the class name and it cannot have a return time like void or int. Also note that the constructor is called when the object is created. All classes have constructors by default. If you don't create a class constructor yourself, C# creates one for you. However, then you are not able to set initial values or for fields. Constructor parameters. Constructors can also take parameters, which is used to initialize fields. The following example adds a string model name parameter to the constructor. Inside the constructor, we set model to model name, and when we call the constructor, we pass a parameter to the constructor, for example Mustang, which will set the value of model to Mustang. So write the example. Add a parameter string model name and set the model to model name, and add argument in here Mustang, and Control F5, Mustang is here, and you can have as many parameters as you want. For example, create another fields, for example color and int year, and add parameters string color name and int year model year, and in here model color, and set color to model color and year to model year, and add arguments in here. Color is red and year is 1969, and console.writeLine Ford.model and color and year. Control F5 and Mustang is red and 1969, and constructors save time. When you consider the example from the previous chapter, you will notice that constructors are very useful as they help reducing the amount of code. This code remove the console.writelines, and this code for this example for previous chapter and this example equal to this example with constructor. Opel, create an object Opel and model is Astra and color is white and change the year. This example without constructor and this example with the constructors.